Hey everyone, it's Travis here, and today I'm testing out the new Creality Falcon A1 Pro laser engraver. This is Creality's upgraded model, and I'll compare it with the regular A1 I've been using. If you ever wanted to engrave wood, glass, leather, or even metal, this one can do it all. So let's fire it up and see what makes the A1 Pro a true pro in laser engraving. The first thing that you notice is it's got dual laser modules. A 20-watt blue diode laser for wood, acrylic, and leather, and a 2-watt infrared laser for metal, plastic, and glass. That's a huge upgrade over the base A1, which only comes with a 10-watt blue laser. The A1 Pro can handle over 350 materials. It's fast, precise, and a beast for DIY projects or business use. Let me show you what I mean. I engraved Happy Birthday into this rainbow ceramic plate, a cologne bottle just for fun, and even on this metal hammer using the IR module. You can see how clean and sharp the details are. No burn marks, no glare. That's the power of the 2-watt infrared laser. It opens up a whole new range of creative projects. Gifts, jewelry, personalized items, all from home. I'm going to put a picture in here and make it into a picture frame. This was a test piece of wood that I put some images on. The setup is super simple. You just place your material, hit autofocus, and it locks in automatically. It only takes 3 seconds, totally hands-free. No rulers, no manual adjustments. And the built-in smart camera shows you exactly where your design will engrave, right on the screen. You can line up every piece perfectly. All the controls run through Falcon Design Space, available on both desktop and mobile. It has a built-in material library, so you could just select your surface and it auto-fills the best settings. And here's what I love. The mobile app lets you monitor your engraving in real time. You can pause, stop, or adjust jobs remotely. The A1 Pro also includes dual flame detection sensors, so no blind spots, total peace of mind. The touchscreen feels great, responsive, and very easy to navigate. Swapping the laser heads takes seconds. It even supports Lightburn for advanced users with autofocus integration. This is a machine designed for both beginners and pros. Now, let's talk about the difference between the Falcon A1 and the A1 Pro. If you used the A1 before, like I have, you'll notice a few major upgrades. The A1 is great for beginners. It's lighter, cheaper, and solid for wood and acrylic projects. But the A1 Pro doubles the laser power, adds a 2-watt infrared module, and brings autofocus and app control into the mix. So if you're thinking about selling products, engraving metal gifts, or starting a small business, the Pro is definitely the way to go. It gives you way more flexibility without needing multiple machines. Here's a quick demo of both machines side by side. The A1 handles wood engraving beautifully, clean and fast. But when we switch to metal or glass, that's when the Pro really shines. The IR laser creates sharp, high contrast detail that A1 just can't reproduce. And with autofocus and Wi-Fi monitoring, it's smoother and faster to use day to day. So, is the Creality Falcon A1 Pro worth the upgrade? For me, absolutely. It's faster, smarter, and much more compatible than the regular A1. Whether you're creating gifts, signage, or launching a side hustle, this is a laser engraver that can truly grow with you. If you want to check it out, I'll drop the link below to the Creality Falcon A1 Pro. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.